The Quorum Federal Credit Union World MasterCard offers a mix of lifestyle benefits and financial terms that speak directly to the needs of modern consumers who want a balance between security and everyday utility. Starting with the financial facts that matter most, the annual percentage rate for purchases, balance transfers, and cash advances is variable and ranges from 12.65% to 18% as of December 1, 2025. This rate is determined based on the prime rate and an individual's creditworthiness, making it a fairly competitive option for those with solid credit scores. One of the standout features of this card is the cellular wireless telephone protection, which is a major win for anyone who has ever dropped a phone or had one stolen. It provides reimbursement for stolen or damaged cell phones up to $600 per claim, with a maximum of $1,000 per 12-month period. There's a $50 deductible, but considering the cost of modern smartphones, that is a small price to pay for significant coverage. This directly addresses the pain point of expensive device insurance plans that many people pay for monthly through their carriers. Beyond device protection, the card includes robust identity theft protection. This service offers 24/7 monitoring of the dark web and provides access to resolution specialists if a compromise occurs. It even helps with lost wallet assistance to replace cards and identification. For those who enjoy travel and convenience, the card grants access to MasterCard travel and lifestyle services, which includes a 24/7 lifestyle manager for trip planning and a lowest hotel rate guarantee. Frequent flyers might appreciate the airport concierge benefit, which offers a 15% discount on meet and greet services at over 700 airports worldwide. Shopping perks are also integrated into the experience, such as a $5 discount on Postmates orders over $25 and a free ShopRunner membership that provides unlimited 2-day shipping at over 140 online stores. Looking at the financial flexibility, there is a no-interest period on purchases if the entire balance is paid by the due date, which is at least 25 days after the close of each billing cycle. This is a great way to manage cash flow without incurring extra costs. However, it is important to look at the other side of the ledger. There are several transaction and penalty fees that users should be aware of. Cash advance fees are $5 or 2% of the amount, whichever is greater, but capped at $25. While the card offers travel perks, it does charge a 1% foreign transaction fee on transactions made in US dollars while abroad, which might be a deterrent for heavy international travelers. Late and return payment fees can go up to $25. There are also smaller administrative costs that can add up, such as a $5 pay by phone fee, a $10 statement copy fee, and a $10 card replacement fee. It is also worth noting that for California borrowers, this is considered a secured credit card, meaning it may be backed by personal property or shares held at the credit union. In my opinion, this card is an excellent fit for someone who prioritizes security and digital life protections over flashy rewards. The inclusion of cell phone insurance and identity theft monitoring adds a layer of value that isn't always found in cards with similar APR ranges. It is particularly good for online shoppers who will actually use the ShopRunner and Postmates benefits. However, if someone is a frequent international traveler or someone who frequently needs administrative support over the phone, the nickel and diming of small fees might become an annoyance. The 1% foreign transaction fee is low compared to some other cards, but it is still an extra cost that savvy travelers usually try to avoid. To get the most out of this tool, a user should have strong credit to hit that lower 12.65% APR and be diligent about paying off the balance to avoid interest entirely. To summarize the situation, the Quorum Federal Credit Union World MasterCard is a practical choice for individuals who want a safe and reliable financial tool with built-in insurance for their technology and identity. It is ideal for those with good credit who can maximize the lifestyle discounts and avoid the various administrative fees. However, there are inherent risks to consider. Carrying a balance will lead to interest charges calculated on an average daily balance method, which can accumulate quickly despite the competitive APR. Furthermore, the potential for a 1% fee on international transactions and the specific security requirements for California residents mean that users must be fully aware of the fine print to avoid unexpected costs. If the balance is not managed carefully or if several administrative fees are triggered, the cost of maintaining the card could outweigh the benefits of the insurance and shopping perks provided.